Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today video is going to be very beneficial for the class 10th as I am discussing math blueprint right now. This math blueprint is for class 10th term 2 students. So I have made this in a form of table so you can understand it nicely. As you can see here, it is going to be very fit, so stay tuned till the end. So here we have 7 chapter in maths. So maximum marks holder is statistics, that is chapter 14. We have one question of 2 marker, 2 question of 3 marker and none of 4 marker. So total is 8 marks. And then is some application of trigonometry, that is chapter 9. We have one question of 3 marker and that is option, means you will get 2 question and you have to opt for one from this chapter only. And then we have one question of case based question, total marks is 7 marks. Then we have chapter 13, surface area and volume, in which we will get one question of 2 marker and one question of 4 marker, and then total we have 6 marks. Then we have chapter 10, that is circles, in where we get one question of 2 marker and one question of 4 marker, in which we will get 2 question and we have to opt for one, and total marks is of 6 marks. Then we will get chapter 5, that is AP, arithmetic progression, where we get one question of 2 marker and one question of case based question. So total question is 6 marks. Total marks is 6 marks. Then we will get chapter 4, that is quadratic equation, where we will get 2 question of 2 marker and in one question we will get the option between 2. So total is 4 marker. And here last one we have chapter 11, that is construction, and we will get one question of 3 marks, that is 3 marks overall. So by totaling all these we will get 40 marks. So our question paper will going to be 40 marker. We have 6 question of 2 marker, that is 12, and 4 question of 3 marker, that makes 12 marks, and 2 question of 4 marker, that makes it 8. And then case based question we have 2 questions. So and case based question is going to be 4 markers. So here we will get 8 marks for case questions, and total of 12, 12, 8, 8 is going to be 40 marks. So I have summarized here. You can see total marks 40, total question 14 approx. You can see in every sample paper there are maximum 14 or maximum 15 in some, but 14 is in a sample paper of CBSE also. So I am giving some tips here. 2 markers and case based are going to be tricky. You can see in every sample paper that these are going to be really tricky questions, so practice these most. You can also observe these in many sample papers and question paper and pre-board exam, that 2 marker and case based are really tricky. So practice these as much as you can. And 3 marker and 4 marker will be straightforward, means you have to just do NCERT for these 3 marker and 4 marker questions. Now, so like you can see in pre-board exam question paper and CBSE exam question number. And yes, if you want my pre-board exam question paper, so comment below. And that's all for the today's video. Just like my video and share with your friends so all can benefit. If you want to take screenshot, then you can take right here. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.